guys, welcome back to my channel. So how are you? I hope everyone is doing great. First of all, before starting this video, I really want to say, guys, everyone stay safe. It's a very terrible time right now and I hope all of you are doing well, and we will come out of this very soon. Till then, you have to keep yourself healthy and be careful. Stay safe. I have been quite active on YouTube and I'm very happy about it, and this is my first video for this particular month, and I am happy that I'm being very active on YouTube because I was trying this since a very long time. So today I'll be talking about another brand, which is Body Cupid, but again skincare product. I really like doing it. So guys, today I will be talking about a new product and a new range, which is the Body Cupid, and the product name is Activated Charcoal Face Pack. This is a luxury bath and body brand which is amazing. I have just tried one product of it which I'll be showing you right now, and it's incredible. So let's not waste time and just get to the video. This is the Activated Charcoal Face Pack by Body Cupid. As you guys know how important charcoal is. I still remember when charcoal came into the picture of skincare, it says that it absorbs all the dirt and everything from your face, and that is exactly how it works. When you want to clarify and detox your skin, this is a must face mask, especially in summers and when out in the sun there's too much dust, dirt and everything. That is when we need a product which actually helps and clarifies and detox all our impurities from our skin, which is very important. So guys, first of all, I want to share this packaging which is beautiful. I really like all the products which has these gold caps and all. I really like it. So let's just open it. This is the product that you will see inside, and I must tell you this thing, guys, the fragrance is so good. I'm not exaggerating anything. I actually mean it. It smells too good. I mean, I haven't used any product that smells this good. Personally, I really like products which have fragrance in them. I don't know, it's just like, see, when I'm putting face mask on my face, the actual thing is that I want to relax my skin, I want to relax my body and everything. So when you are in the process of relaxing, aroma plays a very big role. So I really like when products have these aromas, and especially so good aroma that you actually feel that everything is purifying, clarifying, you're detoxifying yourself. So guys, this particular mask is for 599 rupees and it is a 100 ml bottle, and so I think if you use once a week, I think it should work for a month and a half or even 2, depends on how much you use it. It's always suggested that you use a thin layer. We tend to use a thick layer all the time. I used to do the same mistake before. I used to think that if I put thick layers of a mask it will purify better or something, but nothing happens. So it's always better if you apply a thin layer because it will dry up soon and it will be more effective. So always try to put a thin layer. Also, it says that it's activated charcoal powder, vitamin B3, no sulfate, no parabens and no mineral oil. As you know, I have discussed this before also, there are very less products in the market these days which are non-sulfate and non-paraben, and it's very important, guys. And especially, it's not about just face products, any product, hair product, anything that you use, you should be careful that you are using non-sulfate because it is very bad for our skin and for our hair also. Maximum shampoos and cosmetics contain sulfate, which is really terrible. So you have to make sure that you're using a sulfate free, paraben free and mineral oil free products. Also guys, you can just check here in the video how I have applied this particular product, and you have to keep it just for 10 minutes so that it dries up, and after drying up you can wash it up. You can remove it by cotton pads. It depends totally on you how you are comfortable. Rinse your face properly and do not forget to apply a moisturizer after it because your skin tends to dry with time, so it's always better. So basically the face packs are used so they can detoxify your skin, takes out all the impurities and dust and dirt as well, and later on it shrinks your pores, your skin pores which have opened up due to any reason, and because it shrinks your pores, the dirt and dust won't enter your face again. So this is the entire procedure of face packs, but you have to use moisturizer right after you wash your face. This is a very great product for if you have a very dull skin and you have impurities all over your skin, and you really want to detoxify something. And currently, because of the situation and we are going through COVID past a year, guys, it's important that we take care of our skin and everything right now, and our health as well. And because we can't go out and go to parlors, so all that luxury has gone now. So the only thing that we can do is just get these products and help ourselves, make our skin feel better, our skin healthy, our body healthy, which is very, very, very important. So guys, that was all in the video for today. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment below. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Here is my Instagram handle. Also guys, if you find some content interesting and if you want me to review a cosmetic brand, or you want me to review a clothing brand or something, or any of that kind you want me to share on my YouTube channel, please do not forget to comment on the comment section below. Till then, take care. Bye bye.